Feather!
Wait,
Feather!
What? What, Raptor? What?
I found this weird guy. I saw him peeing in a cup.
What?
He's peeing in a cup.
I think you have an obsession with peeing in cups, right?
Oh, okay, that happened one time.
Okay.
I drank pee out of a cup, okay? I think he might have peed in that cup.
Oh, poor thing.
Pigeon! Pigeon!
His name's this fish. Oh.
There he is.
He's ugly.
I think he's a hobo. Are you a hobo, Pigeon? Yup.
Yep, he is. Okay.
He's a hobo.
I don't like this. I don't like this guy. Is he weird or something? What? I don't like him. Yuck. Hey, don't you have some fruit snacks, right? Don't you have fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Go get them. Go get them.
Okay, so me. Pigeon, stay right here and just don't do anything, okay? Okay?
Okay. Okay, how you doing? Hey, stop moving. Hey, no! Oh, what the heck? Ow! What? I'm being beat up by a hobo bird. I never thought my life would be like that. That sucks. Raptor, are you here yet?
Feather, did you have anything to do with this?
I don't know.
Why is Pigeon's head in the bag of fruit snacks?
He just attacked me for no reason.
Pigeon, is this true?
Yup.
No, get out of here! Get out of here! No! Are you okay, actually? What are you doing?
Raptor, are you okay? Raptor, are you okay? Is that you? Raptor,
Help me.
okay. Sorry, dude. Are you okay?
I think I broke my leg.
You're like, what? No, get away from me. You look crazy. I hope you're okay. Ow! 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 Ow!
For food.